So now let's see how we can work around with glass tile effect inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with the glass tile effect, you need to go around under filters right here and then go around onto artistic right here. Then over here you can see that glass tile is an option, and then it seems as if the glass tile effect is applied. So you can go around over here and change around the tile width and height, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can go around and unlink this out, as you can see, to go around and change around the width right here and the height around over here, just like this as well, just like this. So apart from that, you can go around and change around the opacity of the glass tile, as you can see right here as well. Apart from that, you can work around with the preview, as you can see right here, and work around with the split view to see the before and after, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So if I were to go around and press OK, then this is the glass tile effect, as you can see, which is applied, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can apply the glass tile effect easily inside of GIMP to any of the layers. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.